In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your DSC key fob WS4939. This key fob is compatible with this panel and requires two 3-volt CR2025 batteries, which you can purchase from an online or local retailer. You'll also need a coin or flathead screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and optionally, a magnet to keep the tiny screw from getting lost. You'll know it's time to replace the batteries when you see a trouble light displayed on your system keypad. Also, if you hold down a key fob button and the LED doesn't light up, or your system doesn't arm or disarm, the batteries need replacing. Now, let's get started. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT Monitoring Center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system at your DSC panel. Next, to access the battery compartment, insert a coin or small flathead screwdriver into the notch on the corner of the key fob and twist gently to remove the front cover. Using the small Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw securing the circuit board, and for safekeeping, place the screw on a magnet. Carefully lift the circuit board out of the compartment. Remove the batteries. Be careful not to dislodge the metal tab. It's essential for the key fob to function properly. Wait 10 seconds. Then, make sure the metal tab is still in place. Insert one battery, positive side up, at the wide end, and position the other, positive side down, at the tapered end. Reinsert the circuit board. Secure it with the small screw. Then close the key fob by aligning the front cover with the back and firmly snapping all sides together. Confirm it's working properly by pressing the Disarm button on the key fob. The LED will flash red. That's it. You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your DSC key fob. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with us.